Last time I was streaming this, my PC was overheating that night. Yes, the PC was overheating that same night. I only managed to do 2 hours of this because of that. And I think I explained that already. Yes. My CPU overheated. It was at 75 degrees, and that obviously is not good. But it was like at 4 a.m. when that happened. And I panicked. Trash. Okay. Yeah, it was scary. It definitely was scary. It definitely was. But yeah, that happened. It was at 4 a.m. I opened up the entire thing. I replaced the thermal paste, and it was fine. It's fine now. It was scary. It definitely was. But the lesson to be learned: don't ever let that happen to your PC. Watch your thermal paste. Well, they say to do it once a year, but I haven't done it in 2 years. I'll admit that. Don't ever let 2 years go by. There's a lesson to be learned.